Okay, something cool just happened. I was looking at one of my accounts for one of my softwares that I recommend, and it turns out I've got about 2 years free software that I could use from them. So it made me think, well, let me show you how that works. We've done some training on affiliate stuff, but I'll show you a couple other ones and why it's important for you to be able to recommend software that you use that you like. So let's get going. Okay, a couple months ago, just in April, so it is April, May, June, July, September, so about 5-6 months ago, I posted this video about Otter.Ai, which is a transcription software for Zoom, and I think you can use it for pretty much anything. I can use it for my phone, I can upload audio to that, or we can use it directly with Zoom, and I thought it was cool. I just saw an article about it, signed up, and recorded the video of me signing up and getting my referral link. Since then, let me show you what happened here. I've had 21 people sign up, which gives me a month free, a free premium pass. So I get a premium pass for Otter.ai because I've recommended it. So I essentially have 2 years free software that I don't have to pay for. And this is a really cool software. So it got me thinking, well, I'm going to share with you sort of how my affiliate strategy works. I've shared a video about how all the links work, showing you this page here that I've created because I love Active Campaign for a lot of my clients. Book Like a Boss we use for a booking, like a schedule app. We use it for my wife's ballet studio. I use it myself. If you want to book appointments, and it links through Zoom, lots of cool stuff there. Ever Webinar, Webinar Jam, and lots of other things here. One of my favorite ones, my buddies over at Leverage. Leverage is a great one where they have deals on software and tools. So essentially what happens is all of this software, you go in and you use it, and just, well, the stuff that you're using that you enjoy, this is the key, is use it and enjoy it, and then recommend it. So in Active Campaign, you know, I don't do a lot of affiliate stuff, but this is nice to just have all of my software pretty much covered the cost. So you can see in the last year or so here, we've done about $1,300 just on Active Campaign referrals. So this is software that maybe one of my clients use. They said, what do we recommend? We got them set up, and they basically use that software in perpetuity, and I get paid on that software, which covers the costs that I have, and everybody wins. So even as we don't work together as a client, they're going to continue to use that software. And here's a couple other ones. Book Like a Boss. Here's a payment that came in a couple months ago, you know, 120 bucks. We just did a payout for $234 for Leverage this month, right? Kajabi, another $120 there. And then like Webinar Jam, another $300 there. So you can see that these things do add up. And so for me, it's not so much a case of trying to really focus on driving affiliate revenue. It's just one small piece of the revenue puzzle. But when you find software and tools that you enjoy, it's really easy to go into most of the software you use, figure out how to become an affiliate, figure out your referral link, and then post that in the things that you're using. Your customers will appreciate it because they'll say, oh, what do you recommend? You say, hey, use this because I get a little piece of it. So a lot of times I will help people. We're just using New Zenler, as you've seen in some of my other videos, for membership site. And right away, I signed up as a partner, as an affiliate. And as I'm building mine, I'm sharing that story and saying, hey, you should also check this out. And for me, if I can find a way to justify this cost, let's say, you know, if I do a consulting call for half an hour, maybe $500, but that I would charge somebody. But if I can get somebody to sign up for some software and I can get a referral fee of $275 and that comes in every year, every couple months, then it's worth my time to help people for free to help them get set up on something that they would use anyway. So there's a lot of really cool ways that you can use this as part of your business strategy. That's not just you becoming a full-on affiliate marketer. So I hope that this really kind of opens your mind. For me, this is something that we get a nice chunk of change that comes in every month. So we have about 15, 20 different softwares that just come in because people are using them. People ask me, or I do a YouTube video or something like that. So think about in your business, the stuff that you use, the stuff you help people with, whether it's CRM, whether it's, you know, like Active Campaign type things. If there's stuff that I've recommended for you and you're using, go sign up as an affiliate and help those people sign up as your clients as well. So I hope that helps. Dive in, become an affiliate, go make some money. It's really easy to get your software paid for. Bye. Hey, this is Joe Girard with Change Grow Achieve. Thanks for checking this out. Remember to subscribe and check out some of the other videos and resources we have. You know, as a sales coach, I spend a lot of my time just helping people be less weird and more human with their customers. If we can help you and your high-performing team, reach out to us, let us know, and let's connect soon.